In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring sales invoice in Zoho Books. The process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to Zoho Invoices website. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, locate the settings gear icon. It's usually found towards the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on settings will take you to a page where you can adjust various preferences for your invoices. On the settings page, you'll see an option labeled General Preferences. Clicking on this will reveal a new set of options tailored to customizing your invoicing experience. It's crucial to explore this area to ensure all desired modules are enabled for your invoicing needs. But for now, let's focus on the specific task at hand by locating and selecting the Recurring Invoice checkbox. Seeing this option ensures that you've activated the ability to handle recurring invoices within Zoho Books. Once you've checked the box for recurring invoices, don't forget to hit Save. This confirmation saves your changes and enables you to proceed to the next steps smoothly. Now it's time to dive a little deeper. Click on the gear settings of the recurring invoice. Understanding this section is vital as it carries specific configurations that allow your invoices to be generated automatically. After you've set your preferences, return to the home page of Zoho Invoice. This ensures you're in the main workspace where you can create and manage your invoices. On the home page, locate the tab or section labeled Recurring Invoices. Selecting this will bring you to a list of any existing recurring invoices, and more importantly, allow you to create a new one. To start making a new recurring invoice, click on the New button. With this, a new window or form will appear where you'll need to enter essential information. First, choose a customer from your existing list. This links the invoice to the correct client or customer account. Next, you'll need to input a profile name for the invoice. This is a distinguishing element that helps organization and quick identification later on. Then, select the Repeat. Every option to determine how frequently this invoice will recur. Whether it's weekly, monthly, or yearly, choose the option that best fits the arrangement with your client. Following this, decide on a start date, when your first invoice in the series should be issued, and an end date which defines when the recurring invoices will cease. This provides clear boundaries on the invoice timeline. Pay special attention now to the item table section. This is where you'll list all the items or services that will be included in the recurring invoice. Add as much detail as possible to ensure accurate billing each time the invoice is generated automatically. Finally, once all the information is filled into your satisfaction, click Save. This confirms and establishes your recurring invoice, setting everything into motion. With the steps completed, you can now rest assured that your invoices will generate automatically, saving you time and effort while maintaining a smooth billing process.